10 seconds, 5 seconds. Start. The appellant court or the appellant authority or such power is coexistive with that of the appellate authority, or that the concluded finding of fact recorded by the original authority or the appellant authority can be interfered with by the High Court by reappreciating evidence, because revisional court is not in agreement with the finding of fact recorded by the court below. Ram Das does not exposit that the revisional power conferred upon the High Court is as wide as an appellant power to reappraise or reassess the evidence for coming to a different finding contrary to the finding recorded by the court below. Rather, it emphasizes that while examining the correctness of findings of fact, the revisional court is not the second court of first appeal. Ram Das does not cross the limits of revisional court as explained in Datta case. So holding, the 5-judge bench answered the reference. We hold, as we must, that none of the above rent control acts entitles the High Court to interfere with the findings of fact recorded by the first appellant court or appellant authority, because on reappropriation of this evidence its view is different from the court below. The consideration or examination of the evidence by the High Court in revisional jurisdiction under these acts is confirmed to find out that finding of facts recorded by the court are according to law and does not suffer from any error of law. A finding of fact recorded by court, if preserved or has been arrived at without consideration of the material evidence, or such finding is based on no evidence or misreading of the evidence, or is grossly enormous, that if allowed to stand it would result in gross miscarriage of justice, is open to correction because it is not treated as a finding according to law. A similar view was taken by a 2-judge bench of this court. On the other hand, the learned counsel for the respondent has relied upon a decision of this court in Ram Das versus Ishwar Chandra, which was also a 3-judge bench decision. It has been held in that case that the expression legality and prosperity enables the High Court in revisional jurisdiction to reappraise the evidence while considering the findings of the first appellant court. A similar view was taken by another 3-judge bench of this court in Moti Ram versus Suraj Bhan. From the above, it is clear that there are conflicting views of coordinate 3-judge benches of this court as to the mean, admit, and scope of the expression legality and prosperity, and whether in revisional jurisdiction the High Court can reappreciate the evidence. Hence, we are of the view that the matter needs to be considered by a larger bench, since this question arises in a large number of cases, as similar provisions confirming power of revision exist in various rest control and other legislations, that is section 397 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Accordingly, we direct that the papers be placed before the Honorable the Chief Justice for constituting a larger bench.